Hello Kickstarter, our project is Protopasta. My name is Aaron.
And I'm Dustin. We are here to bring exciting new materials to the 3D printing world. Carbon fiber filled PLA, high temperature PLA, and polycarbonate ABS alloy are the first three materials we are offering. Carbon fiber PLA is a mix of PLA resin and short carbon fibers that prints well and makes for very stiff printed parts. High temperature PLA is an easy to print material with additives that can make it withstand much higher temperatures than normal PLA. Polycarbonate ABS alloy takes some skill and high temperatures to print with, but can make incredibly tough 3D printed parts. These materials are available in spoolless 250 gram coils. This weight makes shipping extremely affordable and is a convenient quantity for exotic materials. For easy printing with Protopasta, we are offering unique reusable folding spools that do not require disassembly to change material. A rigorous and scientific evaluation of materials used in 3D printing is something that we think is vital and yet mostly lacking in the industry. A large part of our project is to offer real data on how these materials perform as 3D printed parts. We are testing our materials to determine heat deflection temperature, impact resistance, flexural strength, and stiffness. Detailed data sheets for each of our materials are available. To bring you these exciting new materials, we designed and built our own filament factory. We researched commercial extruders and modeled our equipment off these designs to fit within budget. The heart of our factory is a screw that we designed and machined. We combined this with a heated barrel, pressure gauge, and drive system to make a complete extruder that is affordable, fast, and reliable. Once the material is extruded, it needs to be drawn to the correct diameter, cooled, and spooled into finished product. We use a combination of conveyor belt, pinch roll, spool winder, and diameter measurement feedback to control size and wind up filament. All of this is managed with a touchscreen Raspberry Pi control panel that we designed, built, and programmed.
To present to you the Mamba 3D. Two years ago I saw my first 3D printer and I was immediately intrigued by all the possibilities 3D printing could give you. So I started to build my own printer, and after seeing the prints that came off of the printer, the excitement was even greater than before. It was the first time I could physically produce products at home. For the last 10 years I worked in the industrial automation as an engineer. I designed electronics, software and mechanical designs. Recollecting what was needed to build my first printer and to start using it, I noticed you need some technical skills to complete it and to use it. So with that in mind, I wanted to design a printer that was easy to build and easy to use. So we broke down the printer to its basics, just to focus on high precision, high speed and high quality. The printer is made out of an aluminum frame. It's an open source hardware frame, and together with the laser cut metal plates it makes a rigid printer. We designed a custom extruder drive for the printer, so it is easy to change your filament. You just push back the lever, take your old filament out, put new one in and start printing again in seconds. So now that our third prototype is ready and finally meets our high expectations, we need your help to not only take it into production, but also share your experience with it. Be part of our community to exchange that experience and give us good ideas to even develop the printer further. So when you support us, you get a complete building kit to start building your own 3D printer. The kit contains all the electronics, metal parts and screws. We provide you with a step-by-step manual, so you can build your printer in just a couple of hours. And together with it you get a filament sample package, so you can start printing right away. Step into the world of 3D printing. Start printing your own objects and get inspired by all the great possibilities. Make your pledge today and support us in reaching our goal.
Make It is proud to introduce Macro Make It. A full 2x4 feet in the XY dimension and over 30 inches of printable height, Macro Make It is big enough to print pretty much whatever you want. Since 2013, we've been making industrial market 3D printers and offering them at desktop market prices. We want Macro Make It to represent the same unbeatable value for large format printing. After 2 years of development, we're ready to offer Macro Make It to you through Kickstarter so that you too can enjoy printing really large stuff. But it's about more than just build volume. Macro Make It is a fully featured 3D printer with everything you'd expect from a modern 3D printing company.
Hi, I'm Russell, Development Director at Make It, and this is Macro Make It. As you can see, the printer design is almost complete. We're just finalizing the last few details and sourcing of some components. We're offering this on Kickstarter so that we can reach the critical volume numbers we need to get price breaks in sourcing that make this a viable product.
Each Macro Make It arrives partially assembled with high-quality video instructions. Backers should expect between 10 and 25 hours of assembly time depending on experience. Even though it's a kit, you can expect the same excellent support that Make It provides for all of their 3D printers.
Keep watching here for more details on the design and performance of the printer as the Kickstarter moves along. We'll periodically update you as